Solo, the sound maker.
I'll just rest small. So when I rest, when I finish, I will now. I'm even tired. See. Oh God.
It's Solo, the sound maker.
How did I get here? I was about taking some rest in my room. What's happening? Where is this place? What the hell?
You are on the crossroad of life and death, and you are about to cross the road.
No. There must be a mistake. It's not time yet for me to cross the road.
You are right. But I have something against you.
Something against me. How do you mean?
Well, you have done faithfully, but there's something I hold dearly against you.
I don't understand. I have been seen in righteous and Christian and only living since the day I gave my life to Christ. So,
just like I said, you have done well, but I have something against you. Come with me, there's something very important I need to show you.
okay, sir.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I need to pass this test. I'm leaving. I think I need to talk with Sister Sarah. Maybe she can help me out of this life. But where could she be? I think I know where to find her because she's always in the class reading. Ma, please can you help me? I'm sorry I don't have time to talk. Seriously, I need your help. I need your help.
Solo, the sound
I
maker.
came to this school to study my book and not to be talking to people. This is very important. This is more. That you can say I'm busy and I don't need to stop and please help me. I need help. Can you please leave me alone? As you can say I'm busy. Is it my boss? You want me to fail my tests and exams? Did I get to this school?
Purchase your tracks today.
What kind of thing I can't even concentrate? I'm finished. Oh, how can I be pregnant? Who will I tell if my parents get to know I'm dead? I'm dead. Oh, who will I tell now? He promised. He told me he loves me. Oh, he told me that he will marry me. Hey, and that disappoints me. Who will I tell? Love did abortion. She died. No, I cannot do abortion. I cannot do abortion. I cannot do abortion. Who should I talk? Who should I talk to? Who should I talk to? Sarah, please, I need your help. Please, I need your help. See, this is exam period. I don't want to be distracted. Sarah, please help me. My life is in danger. Since your life is in danger, what if the security personnel? Do I look like a security personnel? Please excuse me.
You neglected the very purpose I sent you and I give you admission.
Purchase your tracks today.
You were sent to school to witness and to win souls for the kingdom. It is very true you kept your righteousness, but you neglected the purpose, the primary purpose I sent you, and I gave you the admission.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm sorry. Please have mercy on me.
I sent the liberty the very moment she needed me the most. When you sent her out, as if that was not enough, I sent Cynthia to you. You shut her up, and you chose your study above the purpose that I gave you. It's okay. Do you remember the story of your fruitful fig tree in Luke chapter 13 from verse 6 to
Sound
7?
maker.
The master has invested a lot.
Purchase your
When you
tracks
refuse to
today.
grow, you refuse to bear fruit. But you know what? The master has ordered to come.
Please, have mercy. Have mercy on me. Just one more chance, please. One more chance. One more chance, I'm sorry. My Lord. No, please have
Purchase
mercy.
your tracks today.
One more chance. Have mercy. Jesus. 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 Please have mercy on me.
Purchase your tracks today.
What am I? Hey, Cynthia! Hey, Jesus! Hey, what's that number again? Hey, Cynthia!
The reason why he sent you to that school, the reason why he sent you into that office, is so that you can witness him. It's so that you can show him to the world. It's so that your light shall shine before them.
School
So many of
solo.
us
Sound maker.
have forgotten the primary assignment we have as believers.
Purchase your
We are
tracks
saved to
today.
save others, but we have neglected the primary assignment. And our words have overwhelmed us so much that we don't longer remember the things of the kingdom. Neither tell people about the importance of our kingdom. If I were you, I would take God serious. If I were
Purchase
you,
your tracks
I would
today.
realize that after all is said and done, we'll go back to the one who sent us. And the work we do upon the surface of the earth is not something that will be reckoned upon, but how we witness God and how we affected lives, how we influence life positively. So ask yourself
Purchase
again,
your tracks
that
today.
place God has placed me, that place He has kept me, am I witnessing Him? Am I reaching more souls and bringing them into the fold? Or am I even drawing them far from God? It is wise enough to know why God has sent you there. Have this knowledge.
Just as I am, without one plea, but that